everyone. Hope you all safe with a good health. With you, Ms. Dina Al-Badri, science teacher for grade 7. Today we will start to explain lesson 2, the water cycle. Okay, what is the water cycle? The movement of the water between the atmosphere, land, ocean, and living things make up the water cycle. Rain, snow, and hail fall on the ocean and land. On land, ice and water flow downhill. Water vapor move upward and it carried great distance by the wind. The wind also create ocean currents. So the water cycle, it is the cycles between land, oceans, and living things. Did you see? So, when the water from the sea evaporate, it formed cloud. After that, the cloud move by wind. By cooling, it make condensation, and the water falls again to the sea. Here, water on Earth is found as a liquid, solid, and gases. Water absorbs energy from its surrounding as it melts from solid to liquid. Water also absorbs energy as it is evaporates, from liquid to gas, or when it what from solid to gas. Sublimation. So we have, did you remember from grade 4 and grade 5, evaporation, condensation, melting, freezing, sublimation, all of this process, it is a change of water from solid to liquid, from liquid to gas, from liquid to solid, from gas to liquid, and from solid to gas. This is the sublimation process. Water releases energy to its surrounding when it from gas to liquid condenses. Excellent. Water also releases energy when it from liquid to solid freezes, or from gas to solid deposed. So the deposed, it's inverse for sublimation. Now, water mass is lost during this change of states. Okay, water reaches the atmosphere as water vapor through evaporation, transpiration, and sublimation. So the water reaches the atmosphere as a water vapor through water vapor through evaporation, transpiration, and sublimation. The first process is evaporation. Occurs when liquid water changes to water vapor. So the evaporation process occurs when the liquid water changes to the water vapor. Most of the water on Earth evaporates from the oceans. Transpiration is the release of the water vapor into the atmosphere pipelines. So, what makes the transpiration process? It's the release of the water vapor in the atmosphere through the plant. Sublimation is when solid water changes directly to the water vapor without becoming liquid. Sublimation can occur when a dry air flows over ice or snow, where it is very cold and the pressure is low. Okay, so the sublimation process is when solid water ice change directly to water vapor without being liquid. So here the first process, number A, from water to gas is evaporation. Excellent. Number B, from plant to the atmosphere directly, it's called transpiration. Excellent. Number C, from ice to gas without being liquid, sublimation. Okay, that's all today. So today we'll talk about the water cycle, the meaning of the water cycle, the process changing from state to another state, evaporation, condensation, sublimation, transpiration, deposition, and condensation. All this process is happening to water. Okay, and we explain in details evaporation, transpiration, and sublimation. Okay, now we are going to watch a video about the change of the water from one state to another state, and the water cycle, and the difference between evaporation, transpiration, sublimation. Hope you all understand. Thank you.